Sise Moses Mabhida, FIFA World Cup qualifiers, Ibafana Bafana, Zimbabwe. Everybody was hoping for a win, but unfortunately we could not be able to get a win. It's a draw, it's a point. On the other side, Rwanda, Nigeria, they are thriving. Guys, how did you make of the game?
Amajita pushile wona amajita. Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi amaleli saphu iwona asibulele ngoba ubone ukuthi uFoster egemini akekho. Mhlawumbe kube sithole uMakhopa eli. Na mhlawumbe bekhonto abezofika naye. And then ukufaka lethi kaMoremi ubone ukuthi mengena khonto eza nayo. Ngiyacabanga kube sisheshele uma sawenza mhlawumbe khonto besoyithola. Kodwa we hoping ukuthi for next game sokwazi ukuthi ke sithole 3 point. Kodwa sengiworried ngakho iloko red card ka TLP manje. Silimazi kakhulu angazi ukuthi ke manje ke sokwenza njani ke kuleyanda yasemuva manje. Kodwa I hope coach uzoqhamuka neplan sikwazi ukuthola 3 point.
Nakhona so uqeda la kushoyo nakhona ku first half abafethu abatshengisanga ukuthi kahle kahle ithina kumele siphume no 3 point. I fighting spirit ibingekho kubona ibingekho batshengisa manje ngasegcineni ukuthi bafuna igoli shooting from range into abebengayenzi ku first half ongazi ukuthi yini angazi ucoach yini abatshela yona ukuthi beze benze manje egcineni bengayenzanga ku first half into abesiyidinga leyo ukutshengisa ukuthi 3 point yona into esidingayo la ukuze sithope igroup kahle nje.
So there was a lot of outcry about you, Lapayana Pambili, Foster. So many opportunities that Ibafana could have capitalized on, and then Sibonila abantu befuna isapo befuna uMakhopa in. Would you say ukuthi mhlawumbe ungabikhona kwa Rhinos had a huge impact on this game?
Too much. And Rhinos, when he's shooting the ball, there's having a spirit to make the show. Ukuthi uyalishaya igoli so kulima ukungabikho kwakhe silimalele kakhulu even abo Froster Froster mina ngimboni na uMakhopa but abo Rhinos unayo impact ukuthi uhango because yini esifunayo yebo lonto le esilimalele
ngama-wing sedlala ngama-winga wafaka uThapelo Morena belokho deliver ama-cross uMakhopa sifuna umuntu omude oright ekhanda futhi ukuheada lezi zinto ezikanjalo why umfanga lesikhathi umfanga ngasenda ukhiphi unumber 9 usacrifice ngewinga futhi nakhona engabe ukhipha khona angazi noma senzela uku-add ama-defender ama-e-strike kodwa kwayena Froster ayikho into abesinikeza yona ayikho i-technical team yona sidayisile kwaseqaleni bekumele beyibone ukuthi uFroster ayikho into asinikeza yona uMakhopa bedingeka as early as second half iqala ukuthi kula ama-crosses akwazi ukusenzela something ngekhanda.
As disappointed as we are bafethu but always happy to see ikhosi ibhabha isandawana sonke sihlangane ndawonye nali ikhosi ake sizwe ikhosi lona liyibone kanjani. Libone kanjani?
Sure baba.
Ungangishina usandawana nawe uyadinga sondelana. We are the family today.
Hi bafo the arrogance of the coach Hugo Broos today in Costil. You know, I like the guy. I was one of the people who supported him from the very first day I appointed. But Umkhulu, he likes to be arrogant. He always wants to prove a point. And most of the time, we are winning most of the time. But today, it bited him, you know. Like, for example, my brother, Rhinos was injured. Why he didn't call Khopra? Khopra is doing well. Currently, the top goal scorer in PSL. Rhinos got injured. Why ungambizanga yena?
But couldn't it be ukuthi uKhopla does not fit on his style of play?
No.
Because there are so many.
No. I sebenze leyo nto bafo. That narrative in football doesn't work. We always say it doesn't fit. He's a striker. He's not a playmaker. A playmaker you can say doesn't fit in your style. A striker fit is there, someone who gonna receive the ball and head it in. So in area balls. Today we had a lot of square balls. But I get Kumundu to finish. I'm a rebound. So get good striker fit doesn't fit in your system. You can check even all over the world. Most teams you sign a striker today. If she fit tomorrow, she adlala. Why? What's the only thing ofuna yogena? Ufaki polemnaten. There's no like ngekude uthi his system. So Mkhulu even the substitute wakhe fethu. Mkhulu like uyasibulala fethu uyasibulala. We are very disappointed. Ama late substitute wakhe. Yabo lapina na my substitute. Okay uApolis fethu ebezama ukcreate but wadonsa yena. Yabo manje umbokazi uthole red card. Yabo sizothini next game.
So now last one, Pakapaka, usondele ngizwe kuwena. So usena nalibaleke baba. So like last one right now. Lisekhona yini ithemba? We're going to face Rwanda. Asekhona yini amathemba?
Mathematically, yes. Because now, yeah, since you keep on my calculator, it's got some calculator. It's got some calculator, yabo. It's got some calculator. Goes back kule nto engisho ukuthi arrogance kamkhulu Sibulele. Why are we here today? Because against iLesotho sidlalise umukwena ebesemela ukuthi akadlala. Still goes to arrogance. Because yena bengafunanga ukuselect amanye ama players ku PSL angakhava isikhala sikaMkwena. Waselect umkwena one card. So it goes back, my brother, arrogance kamkhulu.
You sound as umuntu aggrieved. Would you have loved to see some of the Kosi players?
No. Mina fethu even last time ngasho ku supporters eCoast ukuthi angifuna aba players wethu ayokubafana because bazoba ne injury. Bambiza even no, I'm being honest. No. Check. No.
National team. No.
Kwenzakalani kuMonyane? What happened to Munyane? Who was called to the national team? Mayebuya were injured. I don't want them to go to national team. He's an injury pro, yes, ngiyavuma, but when did he get injured this season? After Bafana. I don't want them to be in Bafana. I want them.
So you are stingy with your players.
I want them to utilize this period. When other players are going to national team, they must prepare. Get ready for the next game.
We are African. So you can't judge a player.
No.
This one.
As fit to style is come cool. The players are as fit to style is come cool.
Right now, you said, I spoke about Kobla. I said Kobla, you said you are high.
I'm not striker mean. It's like some foreigners.
Aslebe. Ngamemezi siyahleba manje. Bafana there are higher chances ukuthi ingasaya kwi-World Cup. Rwanda having won, Nigeria having won. Wena as iCoast, how do you feel ngaphakathi njengoba ama players akho ekade engekho?
No, ngifuna Bafana qualify. No. Ngifuna Bafana qualify. But no. No, ngizojabulela. I'm not happy.
You didn't want to. You have something to say. Bafana 0, Zimbabwe 0. Bafana needed a win, but they could not get the win. Zimbabwe said no. What kind of a neighbor are you?
A good neighbor.
Oh, a good neighbor. Why are you not letting Bafana win?
No, a game is a game.
Sure.
Yes, a game is a game. It must be a game.
Win
or lose, but it was a draw.
Okay.
South Africa was playing, but they had many chances.
Yeah.
But they were not seeing the gate. You see?
The gate was closed.
The gate was closed with what?
Washington Arubi.
No, nothing like that. Bafana couldn't see the gate, but they were playing.
So you had something that was burning that you wanted to let off your chest. What is it that you wanted to say?
What I wanted to say, I say thank you, boys. Thank you, Zimbabwe. And thank you all the supporters who came to support our country.
But guys, we are crying as South Africans. We take you as our members, as our neighbors, but you are letting us down.
Listen, the problem is we are one in one country. Yes. But remember this Dudula. You see this?
So you did this for Dudula?
No, we didn't.
We're not about Dudula here. We're talking about
South Africa and Dudula. South Africa and Dudula. We should have sold the game to South Africa, okay? Yeah.
Sisi, you want to say something?
I just want to say the game was very, very nice. They did their best and it was fine. And I think that's all.
And that guy, when they were fighting, it was not nice. They were not supposed to fight. They were not supposed to fight. And they gave that guy a red card. Now, where are you going to a second yellow?
Yeah.
Where
also, South African Bogasi got a red card.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Where are you going to get the defender for what do you call
Rwanda?
Rwanda for that team. Which one? Pirates. Is it Pirates?
Yeah.
Where are you going to get a defender because he had a red card already?
Well, no, thank you guys.
But we support you guys. We love Pirates. We love Chiefs. Me, I'm a Chiefs supporter.
Oh.
Yes.
In Zim, chicken in. You know chicken in?
Yeah.
You don't support chicken in?
No.
Which team you support?
I support Highlander.
Oh, Highlander.
Yeah, black and white.
Oh.